Scared of stains? Wrap up like in a condom package. Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, hey, what's up? I'm Janna. I usually make videos to help you navigate the world of wigs and hair extensions, but sometimes I make videos dyeing my hair, so we're gonna do that today. So today I'm going to be testing out the OVERTONE Pastel Pink. So on their website, you can either get, there's like different combos that you can get. You can either just get the color itself, or you can get a combo of the color with the daily conditioner, or you can just get the conditioner on its own. So I just checked the website, so they don't have the triple pack that I got anymore. Right now, they're not doing the travel size. I was gonna say, because I'm like, I don't even need this because like who is traveling right now? So that's kind of cool that they like took that out because it kind of really doesn't make any sense right now. So they do have like a duo pack that you can get the combo of like these two guys together. So I do have the prices here, so I'll just pull them up. Okay, so for this triple pack that I picked up, it was $47 US dollars, and with shipping, the shipping was $12.99. So my total for this was $55.29 US dollars. So I don't know how you're feeling about that. I feel like that's like kind of expensive. I wish I just picked up the color itself. The color retails for $29, and especially now with my short hair, I really just need one tub. Okay, I'll give you like a little kind of like swatch test of what the conditioner looks like. So, because technically I feel like you could color your hair with the conditioner because it is pretty pigmented. So it looks like that. And then the actual color itself honestly almost looks the same, obviously just a little bit darker, but a little closer, this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm pretty excited to try this. Also, I wanted to mention the smell. Okay, so I don't know how people got mint from this. I think it's supposed to be mint scented. I can see it, but oh my god, you know what this reminded me of? Like exactly. Okay, if you've ever had braces or like had a retainer made, you know what I'm talking about. But this smells exactly like that thing, you know that tray that they put your teeth in when you have to get a retainer, like to get a mold of your teeth? It smells exactly like that. Like it's not a bad smell, but it's kind of like a minty dentist smell. Like I feel like I should just like put my teeth into it and like make, it smells like that tray. I don't know, I can't get it out of my head, so that's what it smells like. Again, not necessarily a bad smell, but whatever. All right, so I'm gonna stop talking and go ahead and start trying it out. So let me just like set up my hair. Okay, so the way I prep my hair for this is I just do a shampoo, like I have a shower, shampoo my hair, and then let it air dry. I don't do conditioner, so I feel like that kind of helps these kind of colors really soak into your hair even more because the conditioner is not like adding an extra layer. This is basically your conditioner, and it's gonna penetrate the hair better. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on gloves. So they actually give you gloves, and these are the ones that they give you. Scared of stains? Wrap up like in a condom package. Oh, these gloves are so loud. I do have to say, I like that it comes in a tub like this, so you don't have to put the color in a bowl. You can just kind of use your brush in the tub. So I do really like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and
you call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all busy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me. I am fading unfelt. you look worried, and maybe you should be, 'cause this is a warning that I'm throwing out, 'cause I'm the worst player that ever will play you, to mix up sweet words with the girl's sanity. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know.
Alright, so this is the final look, all styled. Let me know what you guys think about the color. So I feel like it came out pretty well. I think I missed like a few spots, like I could have saturated these areas a little bit better. And of course, when you first do it, it's like a lot more saturated and bright. I feel like I'd almost like the color better if I washed it one more time, and I think it'd be more of like an actual pastel. But obviously, since it's fresh, it's like really pigmented, but I really like it. And also, okay, so they market it as more of like a conditioner, like a coloring conditioner. So I do feel like my hair feels a lot nicer. Like in the shower and even after the shower, I do feel like my hair is very conditioned, it's very soft, it feels really healthy. So the conditioning aspect of this is really good. So, okay, about the color, I almost feel like, I wonder what my hair would have looked like if I just colored it with the daily conditioner, if it would have been more of a pastel, since this is like kind of a more diluted version of this. I don't know. So part of me is like, if you're looking for more of a pastel than this color, maybe try coloring your hair with just the conditioner, since this is like $18 and this is $27, and they're like the same for the same amount of product. So maybe like try getting 2 of these or whatever, how much you need for your hair. I don't know. Just a thought. Hello, Janna from the future popping in here. I just wanted to let you know how the color faded out. So this is a photo that I took right after I filmed the video, so the color was still fresh. This was about 1 to 2 washes afterwards, so it did lighten up a little bit. And then the next photo is about 2 weeks after. So it did fade really evenly, really nicely. So it is a good fade. I would say this color lasts about 2 weeks. And then after that, my hair did go back to being blonde. And did you notice how I painted my nails pink to match my hair? I was like trying to predict how it would come out because I wanted it to be pretty much an exact match, but I mean, I kinda got it. And that's pretty much it for this video. So if you have any questions about the overtone, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Oh, you look worried, and